Hi guys, welcome to my videos. Today in this video, I'm going to describe the processing of I-94 at USA Canada land border. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please don't subscribe right now. Also, I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. So guys, I have crossed US Canada border many times. And because I'm a Canadian citizen, so I don't have to do I-94 anytime whenever I have crossed. But in one of my previous trips, one of my passengers was not a Canadian citizen, instead a permanent resident, and that is why he was stopped and then he was asked to complete the processing. So I'm going to describe what happened. So he was in my car. So when we reached the counter, we handed over the documents, and what we had done for him, like we had paid the fee online, because even after if you don't pay online, then you have the option to pay it right over there. But why to waste time? Because based depending upon time and crowd, why to stand in queue and then pay the fee? So what officer did, he took our passports, even his also, because his passport had US visa stamped, and he told us that report in the office. So we parked our car, we went to the office. There were so many people already sitting. So we got worried that, oh my God, are we gonna wait for long? But luckily, our number was called almost immediately. And I think I know why, because probably all of the other passengers in my car, including me, were Canadian citizens, and we had our Canadian passports. Only that guy did not have Canadian passport, so he was taken in. He was um, like for that we had to go through this. So the officer, what he called all our names, not just his name, all our names. So we went. So for him, they asked to do the fingerprint scan and asked very few questions about where we are gonna stay and what we are gonna do. And after that, he said, "You're all good." But for others, there could be more questions asked, right? It varies case by case. And then another officer came. She said that you can pay here now, but because we had already paid, so the first officer said they have paid online, so they are free to go. So after that, we moved. And once you complete this formality, it is gonna be valid for 6 more months. For 6 months, it's gonna be valid. So be careful, guys. Uh, like as I have said, this is the process. That guy has finally listened to me and has applied for Canadian citizenship. Let's see how when he gets it. But anyway, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.